U.S. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick has sharply criticized India for blocking American agriculture exports while benefiting from access to the U.S. market. Lutnick warned that India will face a tough time unless it lowers its tariff to address what he called a significant trade imbalance. More than 500 apple-laden trucks have been stranded for 2 days in Ramban district due to road blockage on the Srinagar-Jammu highway in the Udhampur sector. This has prompted the on-site Kashmir and Banihal volunteer social groups to distribute essential supplies to the truck drivers. The poor state of the highway has also caused hundreds of other goods trucks to be stranded for 3 weeks. In protest against the authorities' failure to ensure the smooth movement of fruit trucks, fruit markets, mandis across Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir observed a complete shutdown on Monday. National Conference leader Ratan Lal Gupta has urged the Modi-led government to restore statehood to Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir to rebuild public trust. Gupta also condemned the arrest of Public Representative Miraj Malik and demanded his immediate release. The BJP regime has reportedly blocked 300 social media accounts in the Dota, Kishtwar and Ramban districts. Officials stated the crackdown was in response to content related to protests and anti-BJP posts following the arrest of MLA Miraj Malik. Dozens of families have been rendered homeless in the village of Kiri on the outskirts of Jammu after a massive land subsidence event. Residents blame the ongoing ring road project for the disaster, which has destroyed residential structure and farmland. In Srinagar, a teenager identified as Shahid Ahmed has succumbed to injuries he sustained a landmine blast that was reportedly planted by the Indian Army in the Khundro area.